Hey guys, so for anyone wondering if you are able to connect DJI FPV controller to simulate a Velocidrone, yes it is possible, so that's how it would start. This video I'll show you how to connect this FPV controller into the Macbook, because it might be a little bit of a hassle. It's not that easy just to plug it and go. So you're gonna need a couple things. If you just bought a controller and not the drone, so as myself, I just bought a controller, this is a brand new, you will need this USB-C cable to connect into the computer. It doesn't go in a box. So the controller at first needs to be connected with the drone or goggles, otherwise the computer won't recognize it. But there is a way how to get through it, and I'll show you how to do it. First of all, you'll need to connect the controller into your computer. For that, you will need the software if you didn't pair your controller with the drone or goggles. The software you can find on the DJI website is called DJI Assistant 2. This is the link. You might find it. You'll need to register and log in if you are not already. Then you're just gonna download the application. It's gonna download, obviously. When you download the app, you can even find the installation guide, because it's not that simple. Obviously, this is like an unknown developer, so there might be issue like this. You just need to press OK and then go into the settings, security and privacy. It looks a little bit different in the new iOS, so you can just look it up here, security and privacy, right here. Yeah, as it shows, you need to allow the app to be open and installed, so you're just gonna press open anyway. Then you go back. It's show basically in the new software. It shows somewhere in here at the bottom. I got it already installed, so that's why I don't have it there. All right. Yeah, so you're gonna allow it, open anyway. You're gonna press that again, open, and then you'll go install, continue. As you can see, install. Yes, of course. Obviously, this is too easy. And then you need to install the driver. Yeah, this is called install Hornies driver. There is like word by word tutorial how to do it, so I'm just going really fast through it, but you can stop by in each step if you are really confused. But till now you're just pressing next, and then the terminal is gonna open up. You need to press your password, so that's the password you are opening your computer with. Yeah, so whatever password you have, you're just gonna type it, press enter, and it should show you something like this. Although for me it was a little bit different, honestly. It just showed like, it didn't show up like in here it says completed whatever. For me it showed me log out, but it worked anyway. So after that, it's already installed, everything should be fine. Now in the apps, you might need to restart your computer though before, so you can try that before. I'm not gonna do that obviously, but just in case, sometimes you need to do that. Anyway, this is the app. You'll open it and it's gonna show you something like this. Now I'm just connecting the controller. I'll put it inside my laptop. You need to turn on the controller, so you're gonna press twice, 1, 2, and hold, and it's gonna make this sound. Yeah, now it's connected, and you can open it up. And in this firmware update, you might see something like that you need to update actually your software of your controller. So if you need to do that, do that. If you don't need to do that, that's all right. So after that, you should be all set. Again, you can restart the whole controller if you needed to update. So it just like freshly reconnected, but that's just my way, which I would prefer to do. All right, so you can even quit it after that. Now, Velocidrone, you might get the same issue if you didn't install the app already. Yeah, it might be the same issue like with this installation. Since it's unknown developer, Macbook or the iOS software is gonna try to protect you. Yeah, so you need to allow installation in the same process. Me personally, I had another issue, and that was that this installation is 33 gigabytes of your data plus another 16 for installation. If I'm not mistaken, I think overall you need 55 gigabytes of memory on your disk. Now I had the memory which was showed in a system in here, storage. Yeah, I had enough. I had like 150 gigabytes, but if I went through the system check, I had only 45 gigabytes. Now the reason for this, if you are using Time Machine backup, you will need to delete like a temporary file or temporary snapshot. I can link that into the description, how to delete temporary snapshots of your time backup. So if you have enough of the space, the installation should be super simple. You're just gonna allow it in the system settings and you're gonna launch it, which I obviously have. Alright, once again, because the music was crazy, you're just gonna go into the... Okay, so you got your Velocidrone running, you got your controller connected, you go into the controllers. As you can see even here, it's gonna say DJI Virtual Joystick configured. Yeah, because I already got it done. You're gonna press assign the sticks. I'm not gonna do that because I obviously already have it set it up. But basically gonna press assign sticks and it's gonna show you right here what to do. You're gonna move the sticks this way, that way. You're gonna align them in the middle every time when you are setting something. So you're gonna press the throttle. This is the throttle. Over here you got the roll, you got the pitch, you got yaw, and whatever the fourth one was. I'm new to this as well, so I'm just gonna showing you how right from the spot. I'm complete beginner, that's why I got the simulator. I never flew FPV drones, so I'm just learning myself, but this was a huge hassle for me to actually set it up. You got so many things. Anyway, so you should be all ready to go. You're gonna press back and then you're just gonna do whatever you want. Yeah, you can play with it after that. So after we got everything set it up, this is how it should look like. I already set up even my controller. Yeah, so it's really hard to do with the one hand. But yeah, keep practicing.